Seville is a small rural town in Medina County, Ohio. It's the home of Jeff Jarrett, and there are two unique things about Jeff. First, he has a silo he converted into a shade structure in his backyard. And second, last year, he didn't have an electric bill for 6 months. You heard that right. Last year, Jeff paid $0 to First Energy from July until the end of the year. And you won't believe how much money he's saving on his energy costs. So I caught up with Jeff to see how he did it.
My name is Jeff Jarrett. We've lived in Seville since 1990, 36 years. And I have 43 panels on my home that were installed by YellowLite.
So Jeff, why did you decide to get solar panels for your home?
We had thought that Ohio wouldn't be a good place because the sun doesn't shine as much as you think, but I was looking long term for retirement, so that was one less bill that we had.
So what's your energy usage look like?
For two people, we use quite a bit. We have a hot tub, we have a sauna that we use 3 or 4 times a week, a heat pump, workshop. I'm always doing things out there.
Before solar panels, Jeff was spending around $3,000 on his electric costs for the year. But 2 years later, those energy costs are a thing of the past.
It's zero in the summertime. I usually have positive toward Ohio Edison, which is kind of a nice thing.
Thanks to the solar panels, Jeff doesn't have an electric bill from July through December, which means that after it's all said and done, Jeff is now saving $2,200 on his annual electric costs. And over the next 30 years, this solar system will save around $105,000 on energy costs. And with 3 years of rate increases around the corner from First Energy, he'll only save more. So how's it feel to have the utility owe you money at the end of the month?
Oh, it's nice. And like I said, it's real positive. Again, we used it. So like I said, the hot tub and all these different things. And that's including air conditioning in the summertime.
Why'd you pick YellowLite to install your panels?
Our neighbor had you guys put solar panels on his house and said that it was actually working very well.
So, Seville, Ohio, not the sunniest place in the world. Did you ever think you'd be able to say you have a $0 electric bill?
No, I really didn't. But apparently we have more sun than I realized.
If you could give one piece of advice to someone who's considering solar for their home, what would you tell them?
I think it's something you just got to look at how long you're going to stay and if it's something that's going to benefit you for a long term.
Jeff, thank you so much for sharing your story today.
Hey, no problem. Care to join me out in the silo for a root beer?
Sounds great. Energy costs are on the rise, but smart homeowners like Jeff are going another way. And instead of paying more money each year for unreliable grid power, they're making their own energy and saving with solar. And if you've ever wondered how much money you could save with solar energy, reach out to YellowLite. We can let you know if your home's a good fit for solar panels and show you how much money you can save on your energy costs. Just like Jeff, you'll save money. We guarantee it.